Hello all. So today in this video we are going to see how to open a Zerodha account. As you know, Zerodha is the number one broker in India for investing in stocks, derivative mutual funds. They provide a complete ecosystem for buying stocks and investing in mutual funds. They have their own apps, so it comes in handy for using it in mobile. So it's not a promo video or something. I'm just sharing how to create an account in Zerodha, which I did currently. I'm also new to stock market and I start investing using Zerodha. The reason is they charge very less brokerage fee and they are trustworthy. So for opening an account, you need to give sign up now. So it will ask for your 10-digit mobile number. You have to give. So after that you will receive an OTP. Just enter the OTP and press confirm. So now you have to give your full name and your email ID. So whenever you buy or sell stocks, you will get notified using the registered mobile number and through the email. So it's a good thing. And after entering, you continue. So again, you will receive an OTP via email. So you have to enter the OTP and press continue. And the first thing it will ask for you is your PAN number. So here you make sure one thing important that your PAN should be linked with your Aadhaar. If not, then this login process won't take place. So here's the note: your account name will be taken from the PAN card. So it is very important that you should link your PAN with Aadhaar card. It should be linked for seamless account creation. So you have to give your date of birth as per PAN and your PAN number. Click the confirm, then click continue. So after giving the PAN number, you have to pay for the account creation. So it's 200 rupees for equity and 100 rupees for commodity. So if you want only equity account, you can just go pay 200 and create the account. So here I am selecting both equity and commodity. So I am paying 300 via UPI. So enter your UPI ID and give pay and continue. So once the payment is done, it will open another window. So it will ask you to share a digital copy of your Aadhaar from your DigiLocker account for KYC. So these are the steps. Step 1 you have to enter, step 2 you have to agree, and step 3 we are going to see now. So here you have to enter your Aadhaar number. So after entering the Aadhaar, you will get an OTP through the registered mobile number of your Aadhaar. So you have to enter the OTP and click submit. So now you have to set the pin for DigiLocker. Can give you any 6 number. And click OK. So in this tab you can see what are the permission you are giving Zerodha to access DigiLocker for. So if you are okay with it, then click allow. Then it's asking to share a copy of your Aadhaar for name, address and photo verification. So you have to give the share button. So after giving share, you can see the name as per your Aadhaar, photo and address proof, everything will show up. The first page if you can see. So it will fill the email, date of birth and gender for you. And here you have to give a father name, mother name, and then you have to give the bank details. So you have to give branches IFSC, branches MICR and bank account number. So these three things you can collect from the passbook. So you have to enter that and go for the background info. In background info, you have to enter your annual income and it will ask you whether you have any trading experience. And if you are a politically exposed person, give yes or else no. Then your occupation, then commodity trade classification. After giving all this, you can choose the tick marks. If you want, you can read also. Then click continue. Then it will ask you for a photo verification. For that, it will access your webcam. So you have to display as per the image. A number will be shown here. You have to write the number in a white paper and you have to post to the webcam. And once you capture the image, give save IPV. So if you want an online verification, you need to sign it through digitally, or else if you want to sign through offline, you can select the option I will print in courier. So here I am going for online verification. So I am using my Aadhaar to digitally sign. So click continue and then you will receive a mobile OTP so that the pages in the forms will get automatically digitally signed. So later you have to load scan copy of your passbook and your current signature and a PAN card copy. So these you can load as an image or a PDF file. These are necessary for verification of your account, nothing else. So after submitting all the required forms, you have to sign the equity account through e-sign method. Click sign equity so that it will prepare the documents. So you will receive a message from your registered mobile number of the Aadhaar. You have to give it here so that it will e-sign the documents. So after successfully signing in, you will get a complete PDF which is digitally signed by you and the authorities from Zerodha. Then if you want to do F&O trading, futures and options and commodity trading, you have to select an income proof and provide them so that they will enable F&O and commodity trade. So currently I'm not giving this because I don't need it now. If not, then you can skip. So these are the options. You can give a bank statement, form 16 or salary strip, stamp and sign so that they will activate it for you. Maybe this we can see in a other video. So you can give view e-signed equity form to download the equity form that you signed and keep it with you. You can go back to dashboard and click logout. So within 2 to 3 days, your account will be activated. So after activation, you will receive a mail and message to your registered mobile number. So after that, you can start trading. So I'm going to post further videos on how to invest in a financial instrument. So you can refer those videos if you are a beginner. So if you face any issue while creating the account, please mention in the comment section so that we can discuss. And thanks for watching.